I just wanted to express that I'm very grateful for uncovering for me that sound. In the beginning, I thought it was related with that I'm picking up, I don't know, something from your voice, and then I realized it is the same thing inside of me that I've heard a couple of times, like, but I wasn't really aware what it was.
Mm.
And so that thing, and also I wanted to thank you for teaching me how to get out of the meditation. I was always too fast. This
Oh,
is
yeah.
brilliant how you allowing actually to stay in it as long as possible, so it's not creating any resistance.
Mm-hmm.
And I really, what I realized today, because I had this once with you a couple of times, and then today I realized when I'm in that state, almost getting out of it, but still being in it, it's so powerful. Like many more stuff comes out because it's sort of going even deeper instead of waking up. I don't know why,
Mm. Yes, I see
but
what you mean. That flow.
yeah, it puts me deeper by the
Mm.
end of the meditation.
Good.
Maybe
That's very
because of
nice.
there is no resistance. Maybe because of I know I can stay longer.
Yes, right.
So I realized that I've been hearing this sound before. So for me, it was a aha moment what it was. And in addition to that, I had wonderful visions. So I saw my face very elegant, with sort of like talking or singing with something like a microphone or something by my mouth. I don't know what I was. That was really like sort of very elegant, nice, young face in the front of me, my own. So that was interesting. And then in terms of animals, cats again.
The cats.
Yeah, I have 8 cats, believe it or not.
Wow.
But it was uh, also like a almost like a puma type of cat, like a big cat, not the regular cat, like a different type of cat. Um, Presented like in the front of me. So that was interesting. And then when you said if you see any people around you or if you surround with anything, then I saw being surrounded like uh, rings and rings and rings of the people, like a almost like a, I don't know, rings. That's all I can say.
Okay.
Um, so that was something new, like sort of. I was in the center, and there was like a ring of people getting bigger and bigger and bigger, with the very safe feeling. And a lot of children,
Mm.
and that super peaceful, very peaceful sound. Very how it's hard to describe it. It was coming from the real, like, inside of me, and it was same tone, um one tone, very stable, quiet, and peaceful. So that was really good. And I mean, beautiful, beautiful meditation. Thank you. I was just like, I still have goosebumps. Um,
That was very clear, your description of things. So for at first, it's nice that you were able to not only experience that, but also recall after it those details.
that was more,
Sometimes,
but I don't remember everything. It was much more in all of it too. There was I'm trying to remember what else it was.
yeah, there can be a lot coming
Mhm,
in to remember.
mhm. Colors. I saw the colors too. Um, But this one is the cat was the big cat was a big thing that I
Mhm.
saw, and the children and the face with sort of like, I don't know, something coming from the ear
Mhm.
to the mouth, and then singing. That face was just like very like
Mhm.
classy and like sure of itself, and then like just singing or talking. I have no idea what it was.
The more we will do this, then the clearer it will get. For a first, it's quite clear already. And also, at the beginning of this practice, we may, because it's really uneasy to, how shall I say, kind of take a step back from our own current reality. Although I think for you it might be different, but I mean, sometimes we see things that are very similar to our current life situation, but then the more we practice and the more we realize, wait, things are getting different now. Like for some people, the beginning, they stay in their own environment through the meditation as already still, and then eventually the more they practice, the more they detach from their current reality, and then other things come up in terms of visualization and answers. And let's see
Right.
what the next sessions bring up on this one. I'm glad, because I know for a lot of people, meditation is hard, or is a pain, or is not something you really want, not something they really want to do. Although maybe for us it's different, but I know a lot of people who struggle with this, and I think the key would be to make it really a kind of like a traveling experience where you really feel things and actually experience. And for that, yes, it means taking time and going deep. And I like to see it this way. But yes, thanks. That's cool. That's cool.